Today, I'll show you how to separate first and last names in Google Sheets using 3 methods. Let's get started. Imagine you have a list of full names in one column, and you want to split them into separate columns for first and last names. This is a common task in data management, and Google Sheets provides several easy ways to accomplish it. I'll walk you through each method step by step. First, open your Google Sheet and locate the column containing full names. Let's assume your data is in column A, starting from cell A2. The first method we'll explore is using the Split Text to Columns feature. This built-in tool allows you to split text into separate columns based on a delimiter, such as a space or a comma. Start by selecting the range of cells with the names by clicking and dragging over them. Next, go to the Data menu at the top of the window to display the menu items. Scroll down and select Split Text to Columns. You'll see a small pop-up appear below the selected column with a default delimiter option. Click on the drop-down menu next to Detect Automatically and select Space, since spaces separate the first and last names in our dataset. Google Sheets will automatically split the names into 2 separate columns based on the space delimiter, placing the first name in column A and the last name in column B. This method is quick and efficient, especially when your data has a consistent format. The second method involves using Google Sheets formulas, which give you more control, especially if your data has irregularities or additional text. First, insert 2 new columns next to the full names column if you haven't already. This will give you space for the first and last names. In the first row of the new column where you want the first names, in my example, cell B2, enter this formula. This formula extracts the first name by locating the space character and taking all characters before it. Press Enter, and you'll see the first name extracted into the new column. To extract the last name, go to the cell where you want it to appear, such as C2, and enter this formula. This formula calculates the length of the string after the first space and extracts all characters from that point onwards. Press Enter, and the last name will appear in the new column. To apply the formulas to all rows, click on the cell containing the formula for the first name. You will see a small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell, known as the fill handle. Click and drag the fill handle down to the last row of your data. Repeat this step for the last name formula in column C. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the cell references for each row, filling the columns with the appropriate names. And there you have it. 2 unique methods to separate first and last names in Google Sheets. Whether you're using split text to columns or formulas, both techniques offers unique advantages for different scenarios. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more Google Sheets tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and have a great day.